Hi, welcome everyone to Chef YouTube channel. Today we are going to make French croissant. So I will show you how to do. This is first step. We are going to fold the butter first. This is we call double folding. So first I will do double folding. This is easy way. We will fold like a book. This is called book folding. So I will keep 30 minutes for rest. Second single folding. Now I keep in the freezer, so anytime you can take out, defrost, and you can make croissants. So now our croissant was ready. So we did one book folding and one single folding. So this is very short, easy way. Finish.